Here we have the crew from the film Mon Roi in the studio for an interview. I'm delighted to welcome you to Cannes here, Mai Wen, in competition. Welcome, Emmanuelle Berco. Glad to see you back again in the studio. This time you have your actress's hat on. You have with you also Vincent Cassel for a second time. He was here with the Italian film, and Louis Garrel for the first time in my studio this year. But I know you're here also with your own feature film. Mai Wen, love stories usually end badly. You are not changing our view on that matter. You're talking about... I think the film can be interpreted in different ways. It's not particularly an unhappy ending. It depends which point of view you're taking. From Tony's point of view, played by Emmanuelle Berco, from her point of view, she's reconstructing herself rather than telling the story of a couple that is breaking up. You can read so many things, there are many levels. It depends what your mindset is when you see the film, if you're feeling happy or sad. You chose Emmanuelle Berco as your actress. You, Mai Wen, are an actress. You too could have played the role. Why did you choose to give it to Emmanuelle? Well, I was in my first 3 films, so I completed the trilogy. I wanted to see what it was like not to be an actress in my own film. Also, it was a very difficult role. And I didn't feel that I could do 2 things at once, play such a difficult role and do the direction part. Why did you choose Emmanuelle in particular? Well, I wanted an actress who was still fresh, that we hadn't seen too many times, someone who's very unique. I didn't want a pin-up. Emmanuelle's not a pin-up. I wanted someone with a bit of mystery. And she corresponded perfectly to the character Tony. Emmanuelle, it's wonderful what you do on the screen in this film. How did you prepare this role? I imagine there was a lot of work inside yourself that you had to do to prepare the role.
Mai Wen a une façon de travailler particulière.
Mai Wen has a unique way of working. Everybody knows that.
On est comme au moment où la journée démarre, on monte sur le ring.
When the day starts, we get up into the boxing ring and we only leave it when the day is ended. And when you're up there in the boxing ring, Mai Wen's with you. We improvise a lot. I like Mai Wen to give me guidelines and suggests answers. Vincent doesn't like that, but I love that when she prompts me.
Vincent, justement, sur cette manière de travailler.
How do you feel about this way of working?
Quel effet ça vous a fait, Vincent Cassel?
Je remercierai jamais assez
I can never thank Mai Wen enough to have given us so much freedom.
Quand on dit le texte qui est écrit, elle n'est pas contente.
You read the text, well, it's great.
Et puis au bout d'un moment, elle nous emmène dans des impros qui sont finalement pas du tout des impros. Quand on dit le mot impro, les gens pensent que c'est n'importe quoi, mais c'est pas du tout ça.
When you use the word improvisation, you might imagine that you're doing any old thing, but it's not that. There are guidelines.
Elle nous met dans une position où il
And
faut
so she
fournir
puts
avec
us
ses
in
réactions,
a place where we have to rely on our own experience.
Et comme je pense qu'elle n'a jamais perdu de vue son propos,
and she never lost her original message. She would allow us to go off on tangents, but then she edits, and at the end of the day, the film is wonderful. Louis Garrel,
votre personnage, alors dans cette relation d'amour terrifiante, en quelque sorte, votre personnage, j'ai l'impression que celui qui a le plus de recul, c'est le frère donc d'Emmanuelle Berco. C'est celui qui sent qu'il y a un petit malaise. Il a beaucoup d'humour, beaucoup de recul. Il est vraiment très drôle. D'ailleurs, il y a
a lot of humor. In fact, the film is very funny. We laugh a lot when we watch the film, particularly when we see you, Louis Garrel. How would you describe your character?
Il sent qu'il y a quelque chose qui ne va pas, non?
Ce serait comme un Jiminy Cricket
It's a bit like Emmanuelle's Jiminy Cricket, always there to alert her to danger. who is heralding a tragedy, as if he knows what's going to happen in the future. I haven't seen the film. I only know the original script and our conversations with Mai Wen. But I said to Mai Wen that for me, I wanted to play a brother who was protecting his sister from imminent danger in the person of Vincent Cassel.
Merci à tous. Je vais vous laisser
Well,
tout de suite repartir en conférence.
It's time for you to go off to the press conference.
C'est terminé. Bravo. Merci.
Thank you for coming in for the interview.
Mon Roi, on se retrouve dans quelques minutes en conférence de presse.